Introducing the new Ruud hybrid electric water heater. With an energy factor of 3.5, this is the smartest and most efficient water heater on the market today. It saves homeowners an estimated $4,000 in operating costs. It's also packed with smart features like leak detection, which could prevent more than $4,000 in costly water damage repairs. And it's the quietest hybrid on the market at 49 decibels. Plus, our newest hybrid design is EcoNet enabled, providing Wi-Fi connected control both at home and away. Here's how it works. A fan pulls air through the upper enclosure of the heat pump. The air passes through a filter to remove any debris or dust. Heat in the air is absorbed by eco-friendly refrigerant inside the evaporator coil, and cool dehumidified air is exhausted. Refrigerant is pumped by a compressor through the refrigerant system. The compressor increases the temperature of the refrigerant, which is delivered to the condenser. The condenser tubing is wrapped around the water heater tank where heat is transferred from the refrigerant to the water. All functions are controlled simultaneously by an advanced control. In energy saver mode, the heat pump and electric heat operation is utilized to optimize efficiency based on hot water use. In high demand mode, the heat pump and electric heat operation is utilized to optimize hot water delivery. In electric mode, the heat pump is disabled and the appliance operates like a standard electric water heater. In heat pump mode, the water is heated exclusively by the heat pump operation. In vacation mode, the water heater maintains 65-degree water for up to 28 days. The condensate drain connection routes the condensation created during the water heating process away from the unit. The built-in condensate management system will shut down the compressor if it senses water outside. This helps prevent damage and will send an alert if the condensate drain needs to be cleaned. A water sensor cable is also included. If water is detected in the drain pan, the unit emits an audible alarm and sends an alert to the homeowner's phone through the EcoNet app, avoiding a potentially costly leak. The electric elements are accessible on the front of the unit in an upper and lower location. The Ruud hybrid water heater installs as easily as a standard electric water heater. It also provides more hot water than most electric units and delivers it faster. Ruud's new hybrid electric water heaters. Savings, peace of mind, and convenience from the start.
Marcke Trade Supply has reimagined the concept of wholesale plumbing supply. We're ready for growth and new opportunities, embracing our parent company brand name and Seahorse logo. Why the Seahorse as a company logo? Seahorses mate for life. It is our symbol to our customers, vendors, and employees that we value loyalty and will be loyal to all of our business partners, internal and external. You will find at Marcke Trade Supply everything revolves around making your job easier. We are in business to provide convenience to our customer. We offer self-service with quality products. Formerly known as Sand Plumbing Supply, we are now Marcke Trade Supply, and we're dedicated to plumbing, HVAC, water treatment, and solar water heating contractors who require professional products, supplies, and services. Marcke Trade Supply maintains a diverse and substantial inventory to serve residential, light commercial, and institutions. We pride ourselves on our ability to get a customer to our store and out the door in 15 minutes or less. We want you to know that Marcke Trade Supply is a market-leading, branch-based wholesale company. We are managed by a talented executive team who are dedicated to promoting our customers' bottom line. Our customers are the reason we are here. Marcke Trade Supply offers free soda to our customers whenever they make a purchase. We want to reinforce the idea that Marcke Trade Supply is the convenience store for plumbing professionals. We wanted to assure you that this practice will continue. Each Marcke location has picked one day a week to offer our customers lunch. Check the store locations tab on www.vmts.com for complete details.
Over 10 years ago, Marcke Trade Supply introduced this one-of-a-kind security system to protect your account from fraud and use by individuals not authorized to use it. To date, we have prevented over $100,000 in fraudulent purchases. All our customers with an open account are protected by this service.
Be sure to check out our promo end cap display located at every Marcke store entrance. We always change it up to present the best in supplies and products every month because we strive to provide the products you request at the prices you want. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your business. We truly appreciate each time you choose Marcke.
One of the reasons innovation is such a focus for us here is because of our people. We have a culture of innovation, so we have a group of people that are inventors.
The majority of our changes that make us a better company are something that's brought forward by our employees, and they recognize opportunities for us to be better.
We're always trying to think outside of the box, look at more optimum ways of producing products, coming up with new innovative products that aren't out there.
Innovation is the core of what we do at Tankless. It's really the heart and soul of the company, and it's in all areas of the business. So it's with our people, it's with our equipment, and with our processes.
Our success is measured by finding ways to solve issues that have been brought to our attention.
When we come up with innovations, one of our focuses is on quality, and quality can mean anything from consistency to the actual design of the product. One of our biggest success factors with quality is the fact that our products are made in Canada. Right from design to sales, we have direct control over our own products and our own processes.
And we build the quality into the process. Because of our process control, our repeatability is second to none.
It's all about consistency. It's consistency of representation, consistency of an order fill rate, consistency of the quality of product.
We take a lot of pride in finding out what our customer needs, coming up with a solution, and then making it a reality.
customers that come into Marcke, they're in our stores every day. They know the managers. It's a family atmosphere.
We chose Marcke to provide for us because their ability to make a connection as people. And that really truly has made the difference in what we do every single day.
You ever watch that TV show Cheers? You know, you walk in the door, everybody knows your name. Things like that.
A lot of the other places, you come to a counter, you have to wait for them to get whatever you want at whatever pace they feel like walking. They literally come self-serve pretty much like you would in a Circle K, for instance. We do the similar thing with plumbing parts. You pick out whichever pieces you need for your job and bring them up to us, and we bring them up and get you out as quickly as possible.
We try to take care of the customer, hands down, no matter what. That's what we're all about.
So how does saving energy and money on your utility bills sound to you? Pretty great, right? Well, today I'd like to show you how the true tankless system from Valente Companies works and what it could mean for you, your home or business, and your bottom line. Years of engineering and design have gone into creating the true tankless electric whole home water heating system. The heating element is packed with patented technology to make the heat transfer gentle but powerful. The result? A reliable, uniform, and highly efficient transfer of energy, producing an endless high volume of hot water. Here at True Tankless, we're always getting the question, what makes True Tankless better than a regular water heater? Or how is it different from those other tankless hot water systems? Well, the first thing to consider is how a traditional hot water heater works. These tanks use a small firecracker element that heats up to over 1,000 degrees. This process creates flash boiling, which in turn causes mineral buildup, which is actually the reason behind most water heater failures. Well, True Tankless has solved that problem through the introduction of not just one, but 4 much larger heating elements running in line inside of each of the pipes. Increasing the surface area of the heating elements means that we only heat our elements to 450 degrees and still ensure maximum heat transfer into the water. This equals endless hot water for you. Second, True Tankless units are self-aware. Via a series of sensors and Wi-Fi connection to the cloud, your True Tankless unit is constantly self-diagnosing and using predictive analytics to look for problems before they happen. These sensors allow your True Tankless unit to notify you if there's ever a problem. But even better, it can order warranty-covered replacement parts and even contact your service professional with details on the diagnosis and the ETA of the replacement part. These features are just part of the reason True Tankless was named Best Home Technology Product of the Year by the National Association of Home Builders. The innovative design, coupled with smart technology, means endless hot water for you and your family, providing you with complete control and peace of mind, even when you aren't at home.
If you're looking for the finest sewage pumps, look no further. Zoeller offers a complete line of submersible sewage and non-clog pumps, from the market-leading epoxy powder-coated cast iron submersible pump with industry-proven switch to more economical thermoplastic ejector pumps perfect for new construction. One of the most asked-for sewage pumps in the plumbing market is a Zoeller pump, and for good reason. Ranging from a small yet durable 4/10 horsepower to more powerful non-clog pumps designed to handle even the largest of demands, Zoeller pumps are designed, machined, and assembled in the USA. Zoeller maintains a high level of quality by 100% factory testing each pump underwater prior to being shipped to the customer. This testing allows Zoeller to guarantee that the pump will operate out of the box every time. Zoeller offers over 100 different prepackaged sewage system configurations. Complete prepackaged systems are available with a submersible sewage pump installed with or without a high water alarm. Just dig the hole and it is ready to install. There is a Zoeller system that will fit almost any budget or application. Visit your local Zoeller plumbing distributor to see what everyone is talking about.
Come into our stores and keep in mind that we have the bonus reward system.
In order to have good products at a reasonable time and be able to provide the services, we need to have good connections with people. Other companies have not been able to make that happen. Marcke has made it happen right from day one. We can dial that phone at 1 o'clock in the morning talk to a human being. If we need to, we can get into a store, get the products we need, and deal with the situations we're dealing with.
Been a Van Mark customer since I believe 2008, when I actually was an employee for a different company. I started using Van Mark, and then when I started my own business, I continued. Van Mark supplies us with all of our stock for our warehouse. They actually come out themselves to check our stock count.
Just that one-on-one basis where you can call Van Mark, any one of our locations, and receive help that you wouldn't get at any other supply store.
The 5800 series of Pentair valves provides a common solution for a wide variety of filtration and softening treatment. Developed on the same platform as the 5800, the new 5810 and 5812 valves offer flexibility with a familiar appearance while reducing carrying costs and product knowledge. These new valves share many of the design features introduced in the 5800, such as the customizable cover with blue or black insert. The one-piece environmental cover for UV, moisture, and debris protection is also available. The optional lower cover adds protection and a visual blend between the advanced controls and high-flow valve bodies. The power head features the same snap-together construction for easy assembly, an optical sensor for accurate piston positioning, the DC drive assembly for reversible direction that gives faster cycling and less wear on internal components, and interchangeable controllers. The available controllers let you customize the valve to your needs. We offer the SXT with a large LCD display and user-selectable time clock or metered functions for filter and softener systems. The newly updated XTR2 is also available for the full 5800 series. The upgraded XTR2 takes the flexibility of the platform to a new level with its full touchscreen display that is supported by dual programmable relays, customizable dealer information, service notification for time or service cycles, variable or traditional reserve settings, non-factory saved program settings, and a new computer-based field service programmer. The new Field Service Programmer lets you save your customer's configuration and flash to new boards, as well as access more in-depth water use information. There is even a vacation mode for systems that are not used year-round. The phone icon is present at each step, giving the end user your contact information. The drain line flow control is located behind the power head for both valves and is held in by a quick connect clip. The 5810 uses a 3/4 inch 90-degree elbow for lower flow and a straight 1 inch with flow washer below the fitting for higher flows. The 1 1/4 5812 uses a 1 inch 90-degree fitting that can be selected in NPT or BSP thread type, which is identified on the fitting. The new valves are more than just a drive assembly and control. The Fleck 5810 and 5812 are available with a true flow riser connection. The 1 inch 5810 can be ordered with a 1 inch inside diameter riser connection for optimum low restriction throughout the system, as well as traditional 1.05 inch OD and 32 millimeter options. The 1 1/4 inch 5812 is available up to 1.5 inches. The 5810 is available for 2.5 inch diameter tank inlets. The 5812 can be ordered in either the 2.5 or 4 inch to accommodate common tank sizes and allow for optimum low restriction flow. The new valves share the same piston assemblies. These are removed from the body by a top hex nut on the piston end plug. The available pistons are the downflow brining softener, upflow brining softener, and filter. The caged seal and spacer assemblies were enlarged to accommodate the high flow rates of the new 5810 and 5812. They share the same diameter, but the 1 1/4 5812 is a taller assembly. Both the 5810 and 5812 share component locations with the 5800, with the injector and screen assembly on the right. The cap for the screen and injector is held by a blue clip with integrated injector and plug puller. Just like the 5800, there are 2 locations for the injector. These new valves identify the location of the injector based on brine flow, with a plug in the other location. The screen assembly is easily removed for cleaning. The brine line flow control, or refill, uses a smaller quick connect and can be customized with different flow washers and plumbing sizes to best fit your application. The service-accessible meter location is on the left side of both valves. This new assembly is also held by the same blue clip. Filter applications will have a cap. Flow is the name of the game in control valves, and the Fleck 5810 and 5812 deliver in both softener and filter applications. The 1-inch 5810 is rated for a backwash of 28 GPM and service flow rate of 30 GPM to accommodate 8 to 21-inch diameter systems, while the 1 1/4 5812 is rated for 45 GPM backwash and 35 GPM to service tanks up to 24 inches. The Fleck 5810 offers treated water refill for a cleaner brine tank and superior salt dilution. The 5812 allows you to choose via the A and B ports in the front right for either treated water or untreated water refill. To complement the new larger 1-inch and 1 1/4 valves, a new bypass assembly that identifies the inlet and outlet was designed. This is shared between both valves and features a hard stop on the body of the valve and bypass to prevent overtensioning of the components. The new plumbing adapters are identified on threaded options as either NPT or BSP in the mold. Sweat-style connectors have an inside and outside diameter match, so one connector is good for 2 pipe sizes to help save your installation time and cost. Flexibility. The 5800 series control valves give you immeasurable opportunities.
The following is a demonstration of Reed Manufacturing's quick-release tubing cutter. Quick-release tubing cutters cover capacities up to 10 inches in diameter. With a simple cutter wheel change, any model can cut a variety of pipe from copper, aluminum, and steel to numerous plastic pipe materials. Features include quick release, quick advance, and manual advance. To operate, simply place the cutter around the section of the pipe or tubing to be cut. Turn the manual advance knob clockwise about 1/4 turn so the wheel penetrates the pipe or tubing. Rock the cutter back and forth a couple of inches. Make one full rotation forward to ensure tracking. Then reverse rotation, turning the knob about 1/4 turn every revolution and complete the cut. Reed's tubing cutters are the best tracking, easiest cutting tubing cutters available. The ball detent wheel pin makes cutter wheel change easy. To change the cutter wheel, remove the wheel pin and the cutter wheel will slide out. Install a new cutter wheel and push the wheel pin back into place. In this video, the TC2Q and the TC3Q models were shown. Reed offers many sizes. The smaller models feature a built-in reamer. As a bonus feature, the TC1Q, TC2Q, and TC1.6Q cutters have a spare cutter wheel stored in the end of the knob. This concludes the demonstration of Reed's quick-release tubing cutter. For more information about this tool or other quality Reed products, Visit our website at www.readmfgco.com.
Our bonus rewards program is designed to give back to the customer for being loyal to us. Customers come in and every ticket that they spend more than $150 on is a point. If it's $300, that would be 2 points. Come into our stores and keep in mind that we have the bonus reward system, but also keep in mind to double check on it every now and then because you might not realize how many points you've accumulated just doing everyday business with us.